All right, so we just finished building our bed. It's like the first structural piece that we've put into the van so far. And we had a couple criteria for the bed. One of them, it needed to come all the way back to the doors here, so we could maximize our space in there and have, still have a good size, almost queen size bed. Second was that we wanted very low clearance. We didn't want to have any supports in the middle, so we're spanning the entire width of the van. And then we also want to be able to remove this and remove it quickly in case we want to use this as a cargo van. I mean, we still want to haul stuff, kind of bulky stuff every once in a while. So we want to be able to take it apart quickly and then put it back together quickly. So. Okay, that's pretty good actually.
And Chris marked with little X's here where there was holes behind it, so we can hit those. And that is the start of our bed frame.
The very first structural member.
Yay.
Yay. Is that okay? Okay. I'm just going to put one right in the middle of that. Okay, that's pretty tight. And then I'm going to put one down lower here where we have a vertical rib. Okay.
And these are self-tapping sheet metal screws.
Yep.
They're like, what, 2.5 inch or something?
Yeah, pretty long.
Yeah.
Pretty long. Might end up replacing those with quarter 20 blind nuts, but for now we're gonna do it like this.
What we got? So then we've got this 1 inch steel that's gonna go across.
Yeah, let's put one across.
Every 8 inches or something. Watch out, Knucker. Look at that. Okay.
Looks good. Yeah, every 8 inches. Flexes a little bit, but not too much. So now we have our whole garage, no posts in the middle. So the garage will be nice and tall. The top of the mattress is going to be 6 inches above here. 6.5 really. We're going to put a 1/2 inch sheet of something here.
Yeah.
And then it'll be good. Donkey, get over it. Sorry about that.
Monkey, you getting in trouble?
You need a hand with that? Oh, shit. What's going on?
Just checking it out.
I didn't know you were filming here. There.
Beautiful.
There's one bracket. Okay, so bed construction's going really well. We got all our horizontal bars across here. Take a little. So we have no verticals in the middle of the garage. So we have a huge garage to really lay out the way we want, and it's really sturdy, really stable. We got our 2 pieces cut. We're gonna scribe all the way to the ends of the door on the inside, and get everything nice and fitted. Then we're ready for a mattress on here. And this bed is about 10 inches wider than a regular mattress. So we're going to put some little boxes along the side to hold stuff. We call them our cubbies. So at this very end one, I had to make some brackets to put on here kind of ugly. Made a couple mistakes there, but that holds this end one on, and then the actual board's going to stick out even more than that, but our heads are right here, so it's not going to be a big deal. This thing is really, really sturdy, stable. Okay, I'm going to get ready to scribe this whole thing so we can match the contour of the bed bottom here. I'm about 6 3/4, so I'm going to just go 7 1/4 for my scribe tool. I'm going to use a Sharpie and just scribe it all the way down there. Then we shove it this way, then we'll mark that side where we're going to cut it off. And I think that'll do it. .42. Alright, so then I gotta. You follow me over here?
Has to go on the drill press?
I'm gonna do it on the drill press. Just gotta find
bit,
the correct bit
okay.
size.
That the Sharpie will fit into.
0.42, yeah. 27/64. Do I have that? 27/64 right there. 27/64. Gotta love it. Okay. This is an inexact thing.
Especially when you hit the gap.
Yeah. So we're going to have to extrapolate that.
Okay.
Okay, extrapolate that too. Okay, so that's going to be like that. And we're going to come down pretty much right there. I'll have to trim this up later.
Okay, so that was absolutely perfect. Scribed that, ended up using the one side as a template for the other side, but it's perfect. And we just need to cut this here back to where that bar is. And we had a queen size bed in here before, just with a regular frame, and we are going to be gaining about I think over a foot in length. Saw of choice? Saw of choice?
Turkey carver.
The turkey carver.
It's not perfect.
Yeah, so this is a queen size. This is the 2-inch memory foam that's going to go on top. We've got perfect, like 5.5 inches on each side for our little cubbies.
Yeah. There we are. Yeah, it's about an inch narrower. You're all right. Okay.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's perfect.
That's gonna be good.
It's very sturdy.
It's totally sturdy. So, I'm gonna demonstrate how quickly it comes apart right now. I hear a jet in the background. I'm gonna start a stopwatch, and then we're gonna see how long it takes. And Donkey's gonna help me. Doing good. Okay, so normally this part will continue as a wall right there, so we only need the back part here to put big bulky stuff in. So I wouldn't normally remove this, but we're going to work on insulation, so I wanted to get this out of the way. Just under 4 minutes.